Yeah, hi. Today we are going to learn about the topic. We have already learned how to add two integers, subtracting integers. Okay. So before learning all the before learning subtraction, you must know how to add two integers. You can check with the previous video how to. Before learning subtracting, you need to know inverses, additive inverses. Additive inverses. I have explained this additive inverse property already. You just check the previous video. Okay. Now, for example, plus 19 is there. Okay. What is the additive inverse? Additive inverse of plus 19. It's nothing but by adding which integer to this plus 19 you'll get 0, obviously minus 19. So plus 19 and minus 19 both are additive inverses to each other. Okay. Now additive inverse of minus 13 is what? Plus 13. Okay. Why? Because if you add plus 13 and minus 13 you'll get 0. Clear? So already we have discussed this in a previous video. I'm just recollecting that information so that you'll understand how to subtract integers. Okay. Now let's take one example. Before that, you need to know what is the definition of subtraction. Subtracting is nothing but adding its additive inverse. Okay, just copy this note. Okay, question: plus 13 minus 3. Okay, inside the brackets I have written only 3. It's nothing but plus 3. Okay, what is the sign between these two brackets? You have between these two integers you have minus. This minus indicates subtraction. Okay, now 13 is there. You keep this first integer as it is. To whom you are subtracting here? Plus 3. Before plus 3 only you have minus, right? Yes. From first integer you are subtracting the second integer. To whoever you are subtracting, you need to add that particular integer's additive inverse. Subtracting is nothing but, look at my pen. Okay, subtracting is nothing but adding its additive inverse. Whose additive inverse? To whoever I am subtracting, additive inverse of plus 3. Now plus 13 plus, what is additive inverse of plus 3? Minus 3. Now I have converted this subtraction into addition. Simply we cannot change the question. By using definition only, I have converted this subtraction as addition. When I am changing minus as a place, I need to change the other integer also to whom you are subtracting. Subtracting is nothing but adding its additive inverse. Whose additive inverse? To whoever you are subtracting. Plus 3 I am subtracting. What is additive inverse of plus 3? Additive inverse of plus 3 is minus 3. Okay, when you are changing minus as place, you need to change the value also. Plus 3, instead of plus 3, what I have written in the bracket? Additive inverse of plus 3. Simply I didn't write plus 3. What I have written? Additive inverse of plus 3. So when you want to change the sign, you need to change the particular integer's additive inverse also as additive inverse. Okay, subtracting is nothing but adding its additive inverse to whomever you are subtracting. That additive inverse you need to write. So plus 13 minus is nothing but adding its additive inverse of plus 3. So plus 13 plus additive inverse of plus 3 is minus 3. Now you'll come to know this one. We know already by using cards also we can solve. Generally also we can solve. So plus 13 is nothing but 13 green cards. Minus 3 is nothing but 3 red cards. Which cards are more? Green cards are more. answer also you are going to get in green cards. 13 minus 3. Simply 13 minus 3 you need to do. So see, if you do like this, you feel confusion. 13 minus 3, why she is doing. If you using by card, if you do, it will be easy for you. Okay, I'll tell you. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and here is 13. Okay, 13. Now how many red cards are there? Minus 3 means 1 2 3. Both are different color. I need to add. How to add? Using property, additive inverse property. Plus 1 minus 1 0, plus 1 minus 1 0, plus 1 minus 1 0. See, when you are taking out, what you are doing, I have 3 red cards. So for that red cards, I have taken another 3 red cards and made it 0, and I am removing. It's nothing but out of 13 cards, you are removing 3 cards. That is what, right? Out of 13 green cards, you have removed 3 green cards. Why you have removed 3 cards? Because minus 3 is there. For that, minus 1 plus 1 you are joining and you are removing. So every time you cannot take cards. Cards helps you to understand how to do addition. In examination hall also you won't take cards. So you need to understand whichever cards are more. Which cards are more here? 13. Whichever cards are less are there. From the greater number cards, you need to remove the smaller number of cards. So 13 minus 3, 10. So whichever cards are more, 13 cards are there. Answer also you are going to get in same cards. 13 minus 3 is 10. Because the green cards are more, the answer will be plus 10. Clear? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear? Hope you have understood. Okay. Let me take one more example. Okay. Minus 7 minus 3. Okay. Let's take this one. Whatever integer is there first, you need to write the same integer as this. Write the first integer as this. Subtracting is nothing but adding its additive inverse. Whose additive inverse? Additive inverse of minus 3. Okay. Now minus 7 plus additive inverse of minus 3 is what? Minus 3. Additive inverse of minus 3 is what? Plus 3. Why? Because minus 3 and plus 3 if you add, you will get 0. So minus 3 additive inverse is plus 3. Plus 3 additive inverse is minus 3. So what he is asking here? Minus 3. So I have written additive inverse of minus 3. So what is the additive inverse of minus 3? Plus 3. So subtraction turned into addition. So one negative number, one positive number are there. So how many negative numbers are there? I mean, how many cards we can take? 7. And here green cards 3. Which number of cards are more? 7. So answer also you are going to get in red card only. 7 minus 3, 4. Minus 4. Understood? Still, if you have not understood, let me take cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 red cards. 1, 2, 3. 3 green cards. 0, 0, 0. How many left? All red cards are left. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 red cards is nothing but minus 4. Before writing answer only you will come to know which cards are more here. Red color cards are more. See, negative number is always smaller than the positive number. I am not asking which integer is more, which integer is small. Always negative integer is smaller. I am not asking that. Which number of cards are more here? 7 cards you have taken here. So 7 cards is nothing but number of red cards are more. So answer also you are going to get in red card only. Hope you have understood. Okay, think.